Hey guys, and welcome to another video by teacherlookup.com, and this time we're going to speak about learn to order and compare fractions. So guys, before we start, as I always do, I just want to introduce ourselves. So guys, we're Teacher Lookup and our aim is to spread education as much as we can and just help people to learn and help them with education, help students pass their exams, and help the day-to-day people who want some knowledge to receive that knowledge. So guys, if you want to help us and help us spread and promote education, please donate to us whatever you think is right for you, and we will really appreciate it, guys. So thanks for that in advance. So just coming back to our topic today, so we're going to speak about learn to order and compare fractions. As we know, a fraction is made up of a numerator and a denominator. For example, 7 over 8, 3 over 4, 1 over 3. So the top ones are the numerators, the bottom ones are the denominators. Note that the denominator in a fraction is always non-zero. We have also seen the fraction can be of different types, such as proper, improper, and mixed. Ordering and comparing fractions worksheet. So step 1, before ordering and comparing fractions, make sure that the given set consists of all fractions. To do this, you must convert any integers and mixed fractions to fractions. For example, given the given set 1, 2 over 3, 5, 1 over 3, you can write this set as 3 over 3, which is 1, 2 over 3, which is 2 over 3, and 16 over 3. So as you notice, guys, the denominators are all the same. In this example, we have rewritten the integer 1 and mixed number 5, 1 over 3 as a fraction. Guys, coming to the next step, we can now order and compare the fractions using the following rules. When fractions have the same denominator, if all the fractions in the set have the same denominator, then you can directly compare the numerators and order the fractions. For example, consider the given set 1, 2 over 3, 5, 1/3. You can write this set as 3 over 3, 2 over 3, 16 over 3. We have already spoken about this, and now we'll go and compare it. Since all the three fractions have the same denominator, compare the numerators to determine the greater fraction. Hence, 2 over 3 is less than 3 over 3, which is less than 16 over 3. Because the numerator is 2 is less than 3, which is less than 16. Right? Makes sense. Similarly, if you have negative fractions, so let's take an example of that. We can write it as a set of these, give an example, which is minus 3 over 3, the next one is minus 2 over 3, and the next one is minus 16 over 3. And over here we can say minus 2 over 3 is greater than minus 3 over 3, which is greater than minus 16 over 3, because in the numerator minus 2 is greater than minus 3, which is greater than minus 16. So guys, we've covered this in one of our videos on how negative numbers are sequenced differently to positive numbers. When fractions have the same numerator, if all the fractions in the set have the same numerator, then you can directly compare the denominators and order the fractions. Note, in this case, the fraction that has the smaller denominator has the larger value. Example, consider the given set 2 over 3, 2 over 7, 2 over 9. As all fractions have the same numerator, now compare the denominator, and 2 over 3 is greater than 2 over 7, which is greater than 2 over 9, because the denominator is 3, which is greater than 7, which is greater than 9. So guys, we can do the same with the denominator as you saw. When fractions do not have the same numerator or denominator, so when fractions do not have the same numerator or denominator, you can compare them by finding the least common denominator. Example, order the following fractions in ascending order, which is 2 over 3 and 5 over 7 and 1 over 2, which is half. Since the fractions have unlike denominators, first find the least common multiple of the denominator, which is referred to also LCM. LCM is least common multiple. And we can do this by just multiplying 3 times 7 times 2, which equals to 42. Using the least common denominator, write the fraction as equivalent fractions with like denominators. So we multiply, for 2 over 3, we multiplied 14 both to denominator and numerator. We multiplied 6 to 5 over 7 to both the numerator and denominator, and we multiplied 21 to 1 over 2, both the numerator and denominator. And why did we do this? We did this to get the same denominator. We did this to get 42 in each denominator. And you can, step 3, which is now compare the fractions as they have the same denominator, which we have. So 21, which is less than 28, which is less than 30. So therefore half is less than 2 over 3, which is less than 5 over 7. And that's the fractions in ascending order are these. So if we cross multiply, then 1 over 2 times 3 over 4, we can cross multiply this as well. So you can cross multiply the numerator with the denominator as shown below. So 1 over 2 cross multiplied by 3 over 4. So we multiply the 1 times 4 and the 3 times 2, and we know we get 4, which is less than 6. Therefore 1 over 2 is less than 3 over 4. Guys, so guys, this is it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and please if you like this, please like, subscribe to this video, and please donate. And if you have any questions, please come down to our website. We'll put the link in the description, and give us a comment, and we'll try to answer your question as soon as we can. Thanks guys, thanks for all your support, and hopefully we'll see you in more videos. Thank you.